Open the box. Remove one trike. Remove all protective foam paper. Comes with warranty card. Toolkit. Charger. Unfold the frame. Lock the quick release device tightly. Remove the end cap and screws. Rotate the front fork to return it to its original position. Install handle riser. Release the quick release lock. Install end caps and screws. Tighten the screws. Lock the quick release lock tightly. Tighten the screws on the side of the handle riser. Remove the front fork protection rod. Remove the nuts on both sides of the front wheel. Align the front fork and install the front wheel. Install the anti-rotation plate and nut. The operation steps on the other side are the same. Tighten the nuts on both sides with a wrench. Unscrew the screw reserved for the front fork. Install mudguard and headlights. Tighten the screws. Install the support rods for the mudguard on both sides. Install seat cushion. Adjust to the appropriate height and lock it in place. Install protective caps on both sides of the rear wheels. Installation is complete.